Scotchman Industries manufactures ironworkers from 40 to 150 ton capacity. We offer 3 different concepts of ironworkers: the fully integrated tool concept, the component tool concept, and the dual operator concept. With the fully integrated style, the functions of punching, shearing, notching, angle shearing, and on some models, round and square rod shearing are built into the machine permanently. There are additional component tools available for the punch station, including brakes, channel shear, pipe notcher, picket tool, and tube shear. With a component tooling style machine, the only permanent features built in are the punch and flat bar shear. Please note that all Scotchman ironworkers are supplied with an angle shear as standard equipment. The balance of the tools can be purchased at any time. The dual operator machines combine the features of both models in a machine that can be used by 2 operators at the same time. All 3 concepts are very popular. It's just a matter of personal preference. In this presentation, we will be demonstrating the dual operator model DO8514-20M with 85 tons of punching power, a 14-inch throat depth, and a 20-inch bar shear length. Scotchman Industries has provided the latest state-of-the-art in control panels for their ironworkers. This control panel includes a main disconnect switch that allows you to comply with OSHA's lockout-tagout requirements. It also includes a jog control for the punch station of the machine as standard equipment. The tonnage of all ironworkers is determined by the machine's punching capacity. It is very important when comparing ironworkers to compare the capacities of all the machine stations, not just the punch. One other thing to watch for when you are comparison shopping is the rated tonnage versus the rated capacity. You will often see machines rated with 70 tons of pressure, but the rated capacity will be up to 10 or 15% below that. At Scotchman Industries, we consider our machines to be as strong or stronger in every position, and the rated tonnage is the actual working tonnage in the punch. The DO8514-20 will punch a 1 1/16 inch hole in 1-inch material. However, with our optional 6x6 die holder, you can punch up to a 4-inch hole in 1/4 inch material, allowing you to make big holes fast. Scotchman Industries staffs a full-time special tooling department that can design and build all types of tools to fit your application. We design and build all types of special punches and dies, including tube punches like the one shown here. We also build a wide variety of special tools, such as the 45-degree notcher and open brake demonstrated here. If you have a special application, just fax or mail us a diagram of your needs. This urethane stripper is designed to prevent material deformation when punching larger holes in strap material or multiple holes in bar stock. As you can see, when punching this 3/4 inch hole in a 3/8 by 1 1/2 inch piece of bar stock, there is very little deforming of the material. The use of the stroke controls will greatly improve the production you can receive from these machines. By using the stroke controls, you can eliminate the free travel time before the tool reaches the part. The angle shear on this model will shear up to 6x6 by 1/2 inch without a blade change or loss of material, and like all Scotchman angle shears, it will give you distortion-free cuts. All Scotchman ironworkers have a hydraulic bypass feature. If the machine cannot shear the material presented to it, the hydraulic bypass will open, preventing any damage to the machine. This tells you to move the material closer to the pivot point or that you have exceeded the machine's stated capacity. The DO8514-20M with standard blades will shear 1 inch by 16 inches and 3/4 inch by 20 inches. With this crank type hold down device, you can shear 20 inches on line without any movement of the material. The rectangle notcher on this model has a maximum capacity that is 2 by 4 inch rectangular notch in 1/2 inch material. The rod shear on this model will shear up to 1 1/2 inch round or square bars. Channel shearing is not an available option on many iron workers. The channel shear blades install in the rod shear cavity and give a very high quality crop-off cut with no material loss. There are blades available in sizes from 2 to 6 inches. Our optional 6x6 90-degree notcher can do a big job for you. This tool will notch 6x6 in 5/16 inch material. This piece of tooling mounts in the punch station. Also available for the notching station is this 3x3 by 1/2 90-degree notcher. One of the unique features of the machine is the ability to add a second punch station in the notcher station of the machine. This feature allows you to have 2 operators punching holes at the same time. This second punch station has 50 tons of force, allowing you to punch up to a 13/16 inch hole in 3/4 inch material. For making hand railing, our pipe notcher is a must. We carry Schedule 40 pipe dies from 3/4 inch to 2 inches in stock. Dies for tubing and Schedule 80 pipe are also available. Simply insert the pipe into the die, cycle the machine, then rotate the pipe 180 degrees and cycle the machine again. Now you have a perfect saddle for welding. This tool can be installed in the punch station or the notcher station for added versatility. Another common use for this machine is braking. Brakes are available in 6-inch, 12-inch, and 24-inch lengths. All have different braking capacities depending on the width of the bottom die opening and length of the brake. There is a 6-inch brake available for either the punch or the notching station. Both are designed with the capability of bending box frames out of angle iron. The large brakes mount in the punch station. For you ornamental iron people, this picket tool is a necessity. Simply put the square tube into the dies and cycle the machine. This tool will crush and form the tube, giving you a perfect picket point every time. This tool can be used for round and square tubing in 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch sizes. This optional square tube shear will cut up to 2-inch 16-gauge tubing with minimal distortion. It mounts on the punch station, and along with the picket tool is a high-volume tool for security fences and other applications that require the use of square tubing. There will be many occasions when large runs of flat, rod, channel, and angle must be cut the same length. Serious consideration should be given to this optional back gauge. This attachment will swivel to different stations on the ironworker for quick, easy setup. When combined with the standard electric stroke control, you can make small pieces out of big ones in a hurry. This back gauge is available in 2 different styles. It is provided standard as a mechanical stop for setting your desired lengths. It can also be provided as an electronic back gauge that will cycle the machine automatically when the material is fed into the machine. Scotchman tooling packages are a real value. There are 4 different tooling packages available for this machine. They consist of some of the most popular optional tooling and the most commonly ordered sizes of punches and dies. These packages can offer savings of over $800 versus purchasing these items individually. In the last few minutes, we have demonstrated several of the more popular uses of our iron workers. This is the only machine you will need to set up your own fabricating center. Thank you for your time, and we hope that Scotchman Industries can help solve your manufacturing needs in the near future. We have a strong dealer network and very capable factory representatives ready to assist you in selecting the machine and tooling to fill your needs both before and after the sale. When you purchase a Scotchman ironworker, you will also receive a 20-minute safety video detailing the proper use of the machine and all of the available tooling. These videos are very beneficial for instructing your present employees and also new people hired into your workforce at a later date. If you have any questions that did not get covered on this tape, please call our toll-free telephone number 1-800-843-8844, and our experienced staff will be happy to answer them for you.